Okay guys, this is the unboxing of the lens. I won't tell you what it is yet because you'll be seeing in a minute, and I have not opened the box. I've only opened the flaps because they show my address and my details, which I don't want to be on the internet. So, let's get on to opening the box. So I did get this from MPB. It's a used lens, but it said it was in excellent condition, so I guess I'll have to find out in a minute. It looks like it's very well packed with all these air bubbles, which is very good. You get a little delivery note just to say what it is. So I have actually never brought any used camera gear before, so I don't know what they're like or anything. I've never used MPB before, but my mate has brought a camera and a lens from MPB and he has had not a problem with it. And it's, yeah, he said it's just like buying a brand new camera, so that is great. Enough to persuade me, I guess, because it has. Let's try and open this very carefully. It's very well packed, I must say. Like, look. Let me just zoom in. Look at all the bubble wrap. Obviously, when I get my new camera, videos will be so much better. So yeah, when I get the 7D Mark II in a few days to a week, that will be brilliant. Let me just try and open it very carefully. Not sure the best way, really. There we go. Very well packaged, I must say. Got all these protective air bubbles. Very good. Yeah, covered really well in bubble wrap. Almost dropped it, oh god. Here it is. It hasn't actually got a front lens cap, even though it said it would. So I'm going to double check on that, but yes, it has not. But here it is. Let me get the focus. It's a Sigma 70 to 300mm, f4 to 5.6. Yeah, the condition looks very nice. Zooms really nice. But yes, it has not got a front lens cap. I'll check my order. And yes, because I did think it actually said it would. So I'll have to double check that and contact them if it said it did. But yeah, that's very nice condition, perfect. Sorry, the focus on this camera is rubbish. But as you can see, oh my god, see, the focus is awful. Very nice, very clean, awesome condition. I will be using MPB again, but yeah, we'll definitely check if it said it came with a front lens cap, because as you can see, it has not got one. So, that was the unboxing of the lens. I'll catch you in a few weeks for the unboxing of the camera, but it will be in a minute. It will be the next clip in the video. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. I haven't opened it yet, just to hide my address, but this is so light. Can you hear anything? You can't even hear it, it's so light. Like 2 fingers. Look at that. There is literally nothing in it, so let's find out. Same packaging. What is this? I mean, what is this? I think it is from MPB, because that is the same air bubble stuff they used. I'm filming on my phone. I don't have my camera because I wasn't expecting a delivery today, so here we go. Does that say? Not sure what any of that means. Not true. What is this? I'll pour it out. Yeah, it's the lens cap, there we go. So, there's no note to say or anything. I haven't had an email, so I'm glad it did come. But look at that box. That massive box. Why couldn't they just send it in that? Seriously, in that. It doesn't need bubble wrap, it doesn't need all that, but yeah, I appreciate they're trying to be safe and they did send me one, but I appreciate them sending me one, but yeah, I haven't, like I said, I have not had an email or anything from them to say oh, we're sorry, we'll send you out one, or I don't know if they usually do that, send the whole thing, send the lens and everything, and then just send the lens cap a few days later. I'm not sure, I do not know. But yeah, I'm glad that's come. I'm glad I can protect my lens now, and yeah, I do recommend MPB. This is not a sponsor or anything, but yeah, I do recommend them. If you're on a budget looking for a lens, a camera, or anything to do with photography, go and check MPB out. Yeah, they do load of stuff. The quality is amazing. They list everything that's wrong with the camera or lens. See, mine said it had no issues, no dust or anything, and it does not. And yeah, excellent lens condition, it said. I paid £55 for it, and brand new it's £190, and I see no difference. It is literally without the box, basically. So, I do recommend MPB. It's screen protectors and an SD card. I've actually ordered these last night and it's next day, so that is very good. So I got an optical glass LCD screen protector. I know the camera's not touchscreen, but I do just want to keep the camera nice and protected. And I went for a SanDisk Extreme 64GB. I know it's only 90 megabytes a second, which probably isn't the best, but I don't care about speed. I literally just put it on my computer. I don't care how long it will take to upload. It will take like a few minutes anyway, probably not even that. So I don't need anything more than a 64 gig. And yeah, this was great value. I think this was literally about 7 or 8 quid for a 64GB SD card, which is amazing. I think these screen protectors were about £3 or £4.99 for a pack of 2, so I got both of these. So yeah, really good. Okay guys, the time has finally come. My new camera. I've been waiting ages for this. So the last clip ended, I think it was on a Thursday, and now it's the following Wednesday, and it's finally arrived just now. So I've been waiting absolutely almost 3 weeks tomorrow. I ordered it, so it's been a very long time. I have just opened it just to make sure that it was this that had come. So yeah, and it has. So it's finally come. I had a few problems with the delivery. It said it would come yesterday, stayed in all day yesterday, it didn't come. And today, yeah, it finally did come. It's late in the day, it's like 4 o'clock as well. But it's here. Here it is. Let's just move the box. Move the bubble wrap. And here it is. The Canon 7D Mark II. So it actually does come, I don't know how well you can see there, with the WE1 Wi-Fi card. So it's normally about £30 off of Amazon. So I can put it in where the memory card slot is, and I can shoot wirelessly from my phone, which is amazing. Let's have a look at the box. Let me bring it close. There we go. So it's got 10 frames per second, 65 autofocus points, a 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. The ISO can go for photography to 16,000 and for video 16,000. It's got a dual memory card slot. It's 100% approx viewfinder, and it's got dual pixel autofocus. Going on to this side, it just says stuff about it. Then the box is, the back for some reason is all in Chinese, and at the side here it tells you, if I can focus, let me zoom in on this, it tells you the contents. So you've got the camera, a Wi-Fi adapter, a wide strap, a battery charger, a battery pack, an interface cable, and the software CD-ROM. So let's get opening this. So this is actually being recorded on my Nikon D3100, but obviously that will be going very soon. Be switching over to this bad boy. I mainly got this for photography though, not videoing. Otherwise I would have gone for the 80D if it was for videoing. Here it is, you've got the manual. So I'll have to quick look at that later obviously, because I'll be going from Nikon to Canon. Got the CD. It's sorry, autofocus on this is shotgun. It's the CD. Hence why I'm getting a new camera. Well, I've got one. Here's the interface cable. So it looks like you get two cables on that. Here is the plug socket, UK 3-pin. And over here, I believe this is the WE1. This is the WE1 Wi-Fi card. There we go. Yeah, it is. So there you go. I won't take it out of the packaging. There we go. Canon Wi-Fi adapter. I'll need a case for that. Let's go on to this bit. Taking out that. Here we've got a Canon EOS 7D Mark II strap. Very nice. I do love the Canon ones. A lot better than the Nikon ones. Feels a lot more cushioned and more comfortable. Here we've got the battery. So here's the battery. Let me just see if I can open it. Don't know if I can easily because very well packaged, I must say. So it's in its own little holder. It's very nice. There we go. And this is the battery charger. There you go, battery charger. There you go, very good. So we'll plug in that there and then get the 3-pin. And now it's time for the final bit. Just checking, nothing else in the box. Threw that far, didn't I? Here we go. Very well packaged. I must say it's very heavy as well. In this nice little cloth bag. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There. Canon EOS 7D Mark II. Wow, look at that. It is massive. You've got your control dial there to go through all your different modes. Then you've got up there, you've got the mount to attach your mics, flash mounts or whatever you choose. And then there, you've got your extra screen so you can see all your settings you're on if you're shooting in manual or whatever mode you're on. I'm not sure what that does. That little button, you've got a dial there, and then obviously that's the shutter button. So you've got all the buttons on the back as well. So on the back you've got all the buttons up there, you've got the power on switch, and you've got menu info, I'm guessing that's to view your images or something. You've got rate, the zoom buttons, the play, the bin, the start stopped and the switch to go from photography to movie mode, the nub with the switch as well. And you've got that button, not sure what that does. You've obviously got the scroll wheel, the set button and the lock. So everything I've just shown you is everything you get in the box. Adding the CD, cannot forget that. So yeah, it's now time to I need to put the screen protector on, get the camera set up. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I will be doing another video, obviously my first time using it. And many other videos coming up. If you want to see the photography I do with this camera, head over to my Instagram @autofocusimages, and yeah, please follow me, DM me, say you've watched the video and I'll give you a shout out. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn bell on, all that jazz, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Many more videos to come with this beast. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Peace.